Motovlog number 5. Probably don't need to go faster than 60 miles an hour on these back roads anyway.
Yeah, I mean, but again, that's not the point, right?
Right.
The point is that as soon as we hit a curve, we're just going to slow down to nothing.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, air full of awesome.
Uh-oh, another tree fell down right there. But it
Yep.
didn't go all the way to the road, so. Have you talked to, whoa. Have you talked to John lately?
John?
The sheriff.
No. No, not really.
Not since the ceremony, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. That was a bump. Oh, that fork of the consumed meats is pretty too. Did you see it?
Yeah.
I love you, honey.
Love you too.
Having fun. Oh, they're turning. Yay. Before the twisties. That's awesome.
Yep, right?
Does John still have his bike?
Yeah, as far as I know, I mean, he talked about selling it at one point in time, but he also talked about selling his Jeep too, so he didn't sell anything. Lawns are pretty.
Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Bump?
Bump in the middle of that turn. Crazy.
How does it go, baby?
You got it.
Better slow your ass down. You're coming into the town, baby.
No, we're not.
Wasn't that Pioneer right there?
No. School.
In
We will
school.
be in a minute.
Oh, like in a minute, right?
Yeah, it's up here as always.
Oh.
Pretty good bumps out here.
Yeah. Good thing I have a bra on. I might put an eye out.
Right? Get yourself a nipple tattoo on your back.
That's assuming that they were big enough to reach my back.
Good old elasticity. This is Pioneer.
Where does Dustin live?
Who?
Dustin, your nephew. He lives in Pioneer.
This is Pioneer Fire, not Pioneer the town.
Oh, okay.
That's over in Amador.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go. Did you?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Well, I mean, he would say.
Is that the same bike that he wrecked?
No,
What was that?
Older.
A little bit bigger?
that's an older version of something. bicycling. That looks fucking brutal right there.
Oh my goodness.
That does not look fun.
Freaking crazy. Get a motor on it, man.
That does not look fun.
He was in pretty good shape though.
Yeah, it was. Well, shit, apparently he does this pretty regularly.
Here we go.
So, them other, well, they have a whole family together. They're out in the yard going, what the fuck is that bullshit?
I'll hit Janine up later when I get a chance to say that those two crazy people honking at you. That was us.